understand that I told you there are two types of laws. One is the conservation of mechanical energy, okay? Conservation of mechanical energy. That says that the potential energy will convert from to the kinetic store, okay? That means, and then there is the conservation of energy. In that we say potential energy converts to kinetic energy plus heat. If there is friction, we follow this, okay? So now there is friction. He says, and he specifies does 20 joule of work. So this is given here, okay? Now the potential energy. The potential energy is what? It's mgh. So it's what is mg? Mg is given to be 20. So 20 into height of 2 meters is how much? 40, right? So that means 40 is equal to kinetic energy plus 10. So that means kinetic energy is 30. So half mv square is equal to 30. So half into, now we don't know the mass. So we can get the mass by 20 by 9.8. I hope he's using 9.8 is equal to v square is equal to 30. So that's v square is 30 into 9.8 divided by 10. Now how much is that? That works out to be uh, 30 30 into 9.8 divided by 10. That's about 29, and the square root of that is 5.4. Yeah, so the answer was A. Now, now see, don't get confused with all this information that it was not to be used. Why it was not to be used? Now comes the point. Why didn't we use this? Well, had we known the force along this, right? We could get the force along this by using uh, this 20 joule, because the distance he travels is this much. So the work friction will be only here, na? But all that is not required. You see, I could go into the details, but it's not required. You understood how first I told you the conservation of mechanical energy, that means potential converts to kinetic. Conservation of energy means if there is heat transfer, I mean if there friction, it will convert to heat, so the kinetic energy will be lesser. And you told me the only thing important is this height, right? The only thing, this is not important. So that means this potential energy will convert to kinetic energy here. There's a drop in the potential energy of this much. It will have to convert into kinetic energy plus heat. Heat is given you, 2 joule of work. So the remaining is kinetic, and that is this. Understood? अच्छा